You flip a coin. What are the chances it lands on heads? Most people say 50%. But what does that actually mean? Does it mean you will get heads? No. So what does probability really tells us? Probability is not about certainty, it is about likelihood. It tells us how likely something is to happen, not what will happen. Probability measures uncertainty. For example, let us take online shopping delivery. In this scenario, Amazon says 80% of orders arrive within 2 days. So, what does it mean? Your package might still be delayed, but overall, most deliveries follow that pattern. Probability helps companies plan logistics, not guarantee outcomes. Now, let us take another example of medical test. A test says 90% accuracy. That doesn't mean your result is 90% correct. It means across many tests, about 90% are accurate. Probability is about population level behavior, not individual certainty. Now, why humans misunderstand probability? We think it should happen. It didn't happen, so something is wrong. But probability doesn't work like that. Probability always lies between 0 and 1. 0 means impossible and 1 means certain. Everything else is uncertainty. If we take real life scenarios, probability is used in weather prediction, medical diagnosis, business forecasting, and machine learning, etc. Probability is not about being right every time, it's about being right most of the time. Data science is not about knowing the future, it is about making better decisions under uncertainty. Next, we will explore sampling and bias, why data collection matters. See you in the next lesson.